So we're wiring up our new
Fireplace.
And we have this wire
Yes.
that was called, do you remember? Romex. 14 2-gauge wire. So we already wired the one end, and this is just temporary.
Look at all these wires.
This is very just temporary because we want to see how it looks. So we've wired up our Romex to our cord end that we're going to plug in the wall. And then we're going to put this end into our fireplace. So we're going to use our knife and we're going to strip our Romex.
I want to strip it.
Well, hold on. Let me cut it first, and then you can use the wire strippers.
Ah.
So strip it like that.
And then you just gotta go.
Pull this back.
You gotta go to number.
Hold on. Watch your hands.
Me?
No, me. Okay. So we did that now.
Make sure it's number 14.
Yeah, make sure it's 14.
The second one. The second little one. Look at the second little knob and put the second little hole there. And then make sure it's...
All right. So line it
Found
up.
14.
You found 14? Okay. So let's go right about there.
And then squeeze it as hard as you can with all your muscle and might.
Oh, you did it. Yeah. Okay, so hold on. And put it back on there because you already did it. So squeeze down and then pull.
Boop.
You did it.
Can I do it? And then I'll strip
the other one.
I want to strip the other one.
That's what I want me to do it again. Okay, so do it again. Find our 14 right there. Sure, squeeze. Oh, that's on 16. Okay, right there, good. Squeeze and pull.
Yeah.
Oh, you can try pulling. Pull with your fingers. It should come off. There you go. Okay, so we've exposed our wire. Now we're going to put our connector
Is it with a 1 and a 4?
into this guy. Slide our wires in like so.
No.
And then hold on, where are our morettes?
Yes. Romy has them.
And the first thing we're going to connect, do you remember what we called this wire? Hey. Remember what I called this wire? The green one?
The green one is our ground.
Good. Green to ground. So that means this one is going on our ground wire like this. So let's do this one first. Let's do our ground first. It's very important that everything gets grounded or bonded.
Can I get all of them?
So we done that. Now we take our moret. Watch out of the way so you can show the camera.
So
And you're going to spin our moret on there. And you're going to tighten it clockwise. Good. Keep spinning. It's going to get harder. That feels nice and tight.
I can make it a bit tighter. There.
Okay. And now see what you did? As you tightened it, the green wire actually wrapped around
The gold.
the copper
bronze.
one.
I call it brown.
And we can double check, and we can pull the green one and pull the copper one and make sure they don't escape so we know we have a good connection. And then we take our black wire, which is going to our black wire. Black to black.
Copper on me.
And we'll do the same thing again.
Get the morettes.
The morettes.
Moret?
One moret, miss.
One moret. Boop.
And when we're connecting stranded wire to copper, we're going to put the stranded wire just a hair further than the copper, so as we tighten the moret, the stranded wire actually spins around the copper to make a really good connection.
Who are you talking to? Me.
I'm talking to you guys and who's ever going to watch our video. And see what you're doing? Yep, see how it's wrapping around again? That's good. That means we know we have a good connection. And we'll try one more time pulling this wire. Pulling that one, that's good.
You're going to chop your fingers off.
And our last one
Which is
our white. You remember what we called that one?
The white was our...
I'll give you a clue. It has an N, starts with an N.
I forget. It's like a... And
Our neutral wire. So white is our neutral. And this one on the drawings, it shows that we have to connect the blue wire to our neutral as well. You tell me.
I don't know.
It starts with a ma.
Daddy.
An M. Starts with an M.
I know. I don't know. Moret.
There we go.
Just if you're wondering, these things are morettes. You can get them in different colors. But we're using blue. Because it's our favorite colors.
The different color morettes means they're for different sizes of wires.
And this, what's the smallest color again?
The smallest ones that I usually get are gray and blue, and they're for really, really, really small wires. Okay, so that's tight and good. I can feel that. And we'll double check our wires. We'll give them a pull. And then this wire we don't need. Romy, where's our last moret?
Right here.
So this is wires only if we have 240 volts, which we will have eventually, because I'm gonna hook up 240, but I'm gonna cap this off just so it's safe, and we'll shove that back in there. And then we'll shove these wires into our little spot. Now that we know they've all been
Today's Monday.
solid connections.
I think we are.
And this is going like, oh, did I do this wrong? Yep, I did it wrong. Did I do it wrong? Yeah, I did it wrong. That's okay. It's just temporary. Okay. Yeah, put that screw in there. And grab the screwdriver. Oh.
I'm sorry. Oh, imagine if it fell inside.
That would be bad.
We have to get another screw. Or just unscrew one of these screws.
Okay, so tighten that guy up.
Hey, you twisted it.
Oh, just a little bit. We secured it. And then I'm gonna do mine.
We have to use small
mine in
little
there.
screws.
Okay, mine's
Just
good.
so you know, we didn't build this. Bought it.
Put our knife away so it's safe.
We're building
Okay,
it.
let me see.
We're redoing it.
It doesn't have to be too tight because again, it's just temporary. So now we have that hooked up. Now we can take this guy and plug this into the wall. I'm gonna plug it into the wall so we're extra safe.
Bye. I don't want to hurt myself.
Okay, so we're gonna plug this into the wall that we've wired up, and I'm gonna do it so it's safe. And so that one's powered up now.
Where's the remote?
And now we need our remote.
Oh.
Does our remote work?
Yeah.
Is it going? It's not going.
Maybe because you did it wrong.
Yeah, we have to program it. There should be a button in here somewhere. It shows power.
Don't say anything. Maybe because you did it wrong.
Maybe because I did it wrong? Well, it's not because I did it wrong. It's just because maybe there's no button up here for power. But I thought there would be. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Something happened. It's just it's a touch screen, I think. So push the power button. Oh, there we go. Okay, Romy, go turn off the lights.
And that is how you make the fire.
There we go. Oh, look,
Just don't make sure you don't touch it. Like make sure you do like my dad
see
did.
if you want to. Oh, okay, sorry, you saying something about safety?
Yes. So like make sure when it's on heating, when it's here, or if you just got another one, don't reach your hand in because you could burn yourself. I mean, you could have.
Yeah, it.
And also,
The logs won't actually the logs won't get hot though.
and also, don't let your child plug in because they might get electrocuted.
That's right. Safety first.
And also, maybe first.